Hey everyone, Rick here. Today I want to share with you my two favorite text-to-speech tools. The best part? I use them completely free. No need to pay third-party fees. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I started it to record and upload simple videos like this to help you out. Now, as you probably know, many text-to-speech tools are really expensive. For example, Murf AI charges around $19 per month for their creator plan, or $66 a month for their business plan. 11 Labs charges $11 for the creator plan and up to $99 for the pro plan. But today, I'll show you two free alternatives I personally use all the time. Tool number 1, TTSHub.com. This tool gives you AI voices in many languages like English, Danish, Dutch, Swedish, and lots more. Let's test it out with a short English story I got from ChatGPT. All you do is copy and paste the text into the TTS Hub dashboard. I recommend using the first 4 multilingual voice styles. In my experience, those sound the most natural. After a few seconds, you can download the audio. Now let's listen to the English voice I generated with TTS Hub.
On a quiet, moonlit night, Eleanor stood by the tracks, waiting for the train that was never supposed to come. She had heard rumors about the midnight train, the one that appeared only on the rarest of nights and carried passengers to places no one could remember. The air was crisp, and the only sound was the gentle rustling of the leaves in the trees. As the clock struck midnight, a distant whistle echoed through the dark. Eleanor's heart skipped a beat. The train was coming. In the distance, she saw the glow of lights. It wasn't like any train she had ever seen. No engine, no cars, just a glowing, ethereal silhouette speeding toward her. It slowed as it approached, and with a soft hiss, the door opened.
Next, I'll try a French voice. Same process, copy the French story, paste it into TTS Hub, and click Generate. Now let's listen to the French voice I created.
Il était tard dans la soirée quand Antoine arriva au bord de la mer. Le vent soufflait doucement, apportant l'odeur salée de l'océan. Il n'était pas venu ici pour les paysages ou la beauté des lieux, mais pour quelque chose de bien plus étrange. Cela faisait des années qu'il entendait parler d'une légende, celle d'un bateau fantôme qui apparaissait une fois par an, à la même heure, dans les eaux sombres de la baie. On disait que ceux qui réussissaient à monter à bord seraient emportés vers un autre monde, un endroit où le temps ne suivait plus les mêmes règles. Antoine n'y croyait pas vraiment, mais ce soir-là, une force mystérieuse semblait l'avoir poussé à se rendre sur la plage, seul, sans but précis.
And finally, let's test a Spanish voice. Again, copy the Spanish text, paste it in, click Generate, and download. Here's the Spanish result from TTS Hub.
En un pequeño pueblo al borde de un denso bosque, vivía Carmen, una joven curiosa y valiente. Desde niña, había escuchado las historias de los ancianos sobre una llama misteriosa que aparecía cada.
Tool number 2, Google AI Studio. For this one, go to aistudio.google.com. Click Get Started and sign in with your email. Inside Google AI Studio, you'll see two options: single speaker audio and multi-speaker studio. The second one is useful if you're making a podcast. For today, I'll just use single speaker audio. Pick a voice from the drop-down menu. Paste your script and hit the Run button. Now let's listen to the English voice I created with Google AI Studio.
In the distance, she saw the glow of lights. It wasn't like any train she had ever seen. No engine, no cars, just a glowing, ethereal silhouette speeding toward her. It slowed as it approached, and with a soft hiss, the door opened. A man, dressed in a long coat and wide-brimmed hat, stepped out and nodded to her. "Ready for the journey?" he asked, his voice like the wind. Eleanor hesitated. She knew she had no reason to board, but there was something in the air, something undeniable pulling her forward.
The great thing is, you can generate voices in almost any language. Just paste your script in the language you want, select a voice, and run it. For example, here's a Spanish voice I generated with Google AI Studio.
Al llegar al centro del claro, Carmen encontró lo que nadie había osado ver. Una llama brillante, suspendida en el aire, sin ninguna fuente de fuego a su alrededor. Era fría, pero su resplandor iluminaba todo con una intensidad casi mágica. De repente, la llama comenzó a hablar, con una voz suave y serena que se mezclaba con el susurro del viento. «Has llegado, Carmen. He estado esperando por ti». Carmen, aunque sorprendida, no sintió miedo. Algo en la voz de la llama la tranquilizaba, como si la conociera desde siempre. «¿Qué eres? ¿Por qué me has llamado?», preguntó ella.
And that's it. I just showed you my two favorite free tools for creating AI voices. I use them all the time for my projects and business. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below.